Today I'm working on Kenmore Coldspot refrigerator. Customer complaint was the water is leaking inside the fresh food compartment from these two holes where the air should flow. So when I unscrewed the base panel and took it out, it's like all the ice built up around the base panel, one layer of ice. So what I will do, I will unscrew the two screws you can see nearby fan and unplug the ice maker wires. I manually turn on the defrost cycle, so that means our heater and thermostat is working fine, and you can see the ice is melting now. So I try to clean up all the ice. It takes time, so it's not like easy 5 minutes job. It will take around 1 or 1.5 hours to clean out everything properly if you are trying to do, and it takes time to melt ice. So if you are in hurry, you can break something, so better just take your time doing this job. So I try to clean everything here. Once I clear the ice and the base panel, now I am trying to clean or unclog all the ice from drain hole with the help of steamer. So the steamer is like best for this kind of job. It really helps you to complete the job quickly rather than doing by heat gun or something like hair dryer. So you can see with the help of steamer I can quickly clean up everything really fast, and it's like hole is visible now. So I will pour some water in that hole, and to make sure that my water is flowing at the back side where the compressor is, it should flow at the back. And this tray I try to clean up, and also I added a drain clip that you can buy on Amazon or somewhere else at your local supplier. This is for Samsung, but it can go with any fridge if it fits well. So I just added this, so whenever the heater turns on, it will clear. If there is ice in the drain hole, it will also melt. This is how I fix this fridge. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.